Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and today is going to be the PPI data report, which is the Producer Price Index report on April 11th, 1 hour before the market opens, which is at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. I'm right now in Amsterdam, which is 12 p.m. It's afternoon time. So wanted to make this video so you knew exactly where the report is going to get released, what the market's expectation is going to be, and what happens if it comes above or below. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let me start sharing my screen. The first question, where do you find the PPI data report and what exactly is it? It's inflation on the production side of things. The thing that I need you to understand is when inflation is on the production side of things, it normally is expected that it gets passed down to the consumer later down the road. So a lot of people view it as a forecast of inflation that's to come to the consumer, but there is no question that the CPI data report always tends to be a more significant report, no question about it. But this PPI data report is going to be released on bls.gov/PPI. It's free and available to the general public. So 1 hour before the market opens, I mean, you guys could have access to it right now, but then this is going to update. And then once it gets released, you click on PDF and it's going to break down for you what the actual PPI inflation rate came in at. What is the market's expectation? Market's expectation for the PPI data report is for April 11th, which is today, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. The forecast is 2.2%. Remember, we are coming from a 1.6% inflation rate on the production side of things. So we are expecting a pretty significant jump. So what's to understand about this? Well, if we come in higher than what was forecasted, get ready for the market to potentially sell off. If we come in lower than what is expected, then get ready for the market to potentially rise. NASDAQ market, where does it currently stand? Overall, it's an extremely bullish market for pretty much all of 2023 and all of 2024. We did recently pull on back to the moving average, but again, that's because of the CPI, and knowing that the CPI came in yesterday higher than what is expected, it's to be expected that this one might as well. Is the market going to crash? Market has not been able to crash. So just based off of that, patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to. Market has been really sound and resilient and is finding any and every reason to try to continue to go up. And because of that, I mean, I don't think it would be the worst idea if markets do pull on back. But I also think that the market is so strong that it probably won't pull on back too long or for too much. So I'm excited to see how the report comes in. I will make a follow-up video making it super easy to understand what was reported and how the market was influenced by it. So I really hope that I made it a little bit easier for you to understand what that PPI data report is, where it gets released, and what the market's expectation is. And remember, once I get back from my vacation, I will be going back to the daily live streams right at market open. So if you ever want to watch me trade live, again, it's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and you'll get to watch me trade live every single day right at market open. And right now, we are offering you a 50% off discount. So if you have any questions before signing up, please just comment down below. But if you're ready and you want that 50% off discount right now, it's the second link in the description down below. Also, do not forget there are 3 days left for our Corvette C8 giveaway, which means all it takes is one lucky entry for you to either win the keys of that beautiful red Corvette or $50,000 cash. And our previous winners have been people that followed me on Instagram and on YouTube. So my question to you is, take a chance and will you get entered? And if so, fourth link in the description down below. It's shop.techbuds.com. You can buy a t-shirt, you can buy a mouse pad. Any and every order gets you entered. So why not take a chance and enter before it's too late? Appreciate your time. Hope that we're in a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.